Put shingles on this shed here. Built this shed out of old pallets and crates. All the plywood is nailed down firmly. Lay the shingles out in the sun to warm them up. We'll start with a starter strip. Use a starter strip at the bottom edge of the roof. On the back side of the shingle, we'll score it so we can cut the shingle to size. Scored, you can snap the shingle. Starter strips are a little thicker, so you may have to go 2 rounds with that. Make sure the end pieces aren't too small. Start with the normal shingles. Slide the shingle all the way to the end. Hammer the nails right above the line. We'll put in 5 nails. Shingles work really nice when they're hot. Here's our first row of shingles. Cut the shingle for the end. This is about 6 inches. We'll tap it in with 2 nails. We'll put in our next shingle all the way to the edge. The architectural shingle, make sure it touches this edge right here and covers up that white line and all the nails. Tack it in. Nails are lined up with this tack strip here. You can pre-cut the shingle ends to make things go faster. Make sure that all your rows are straight. On a larger roof, you'd want to use a chalk line. This is pretty small, so we don't have to worry about it on this one. The shingles are cut about 1 inch over the plywood. Typically, you'd use drip edge and tar paper. Since this is a small shed, we're not using it. This is the last shingle at the top of the roof. We'll do the exact same thing on the other side. We'll use the starter strips. Put on our first row of shingles. Caps at the crest of the roof. We'll cut these in thirds. Thirds would be about 1/8 of an inch over 13. This shingle is cut into 3 pieces. At the top of the crest, we'll put these caps on like this. Cap is a good place to use damaged shingles to make sure the damaged area is not on the cap that you're going to be using. Add these caps. The ridge of the roof, we'll put the caps on like this. The caps are on except for this last one, so we'll cut this one back. Piece we'll put into place, and then we'll put nails on the outside. You can put tar on these nails. That's how you put shingles on a shed.